Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the strawberry cupcake mockup in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and once Pixlr is up, we'll just click on Playful Pixlr X, and then we'll click the Open Image button to open up the mockup. And we will find the JPEG mockup. There are a bunch of different versions, depending on whether you want the white background or the marble background, and whether or not you want a circular topper or a toothpick or no toothpick. So we'll just open the one you want, and it's going to ask if we want to downsize that. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original to open up the original size. And then once that's open, to add our design to the topper, we'll just click on this little icon at the bottom on the left hand side that says Add Image when we hover over it. And it's going to give us options to find our image online or to browse on our computer. So we'll click Browse to get the image off the computer. It's going to ask if you want to create a new document or add it to the current document, so we'll click Add Current. And it's going to spin and think for a little bit. It's been a little bit slow today. Usually doesn't spin quite this much. And when that opens up, we might need to resize it. To resize it, we'll just hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional. And then we'll just click and drag in to make it smaller. If you needed to drag out a little bit, you could do that too. That would make it bigger. And once you've got it about the right size, when you hover over it, you'll see this tool with 4 arrows, the Move tool. When you see that, you can just click and drag to move it in place. And we need to make it smaller yet, so we'll hold down the Shift key again and then click and drag one of the corners. Now if your design has a white background, in order to make it look more natural, what you can do is look at this Layers panel on the right hand side. You'll see this top layer where your design is. It has this layer settings icon in the top left hand corner of the layer. We're just going to double click on that, or click on that. And it'll give us some options where it says blend mode here. We want to change that to multiply. Changing the blend mode to multiply will knock out white and make it look more natural. And then that's all there is to adding the design to the topper using Pixlr. When you're done with that, you can just click Save to save it. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail like on Etsy, you're going to want to save it as a JPEG, so we'll leave it on JPEG and change the quality to 100, and we'll leave it on high and then click download. Now if you wanted more options with this mockup, I'd recommend trying the PSD version in Photopea or Photoshop, and I have videos showing how to do that as well. And once it's downloaded, it's just going to tell you that the image was saved to the default download folder on your device. And if you wanted to change where that folder was, you could click there to do that. If you want to save the original Pixlr document, you could click the Save button again, and then click PXD, and then download again to save the Pixlr document. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.